వెల్కమ్ టు క్లాప్ బోర్డ్. నేను మీ యాంకర్ దీక్షా సిద్. ఈరోజు మన గెస్ట్ వచ్చేసి అప్సరా రాణి. నేను ఇక ఏం ఆలస్యం చేయను, మాట్లాడేద్దాం. హాయ్ అప్సరా.
Hi.
How are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing great. So how was Corona days are going on to you?
Corona starting when it was really bad. I was stuck at home with my parents for 2-3 months. Then we were just watching films. I was cooking, putting on weight. But now now I'm not thinking about it much because it scares me.
Yes, tell me, so when was this project was signed by you? Whether it is before Corona or the during lockdown period?
No, it was before Corona. So we were supposed to start this in Feb end, but it delayed because of Corona. We all have been affected with Corona, so even me. So it delayed, yeah.
When you got the first call from RGV sir's office, what all things running in your mind?
So I actually got a call from him himself. I met him in a show where I was dancing. I was performing on stage, and that's where he took my number. And so when I first met him, I thought I will be rejected because it's very easy to get rejected, and I've had a lot of rejections. So I was 90% sure that I'll be rejected. But I was confident. So then he literally took me, and I'm like, Mom, such a big director, how can he take me, like why, and things like that. But yeah, he has put a lot of confidence in me, which I am also trying to pay back by my acting skills and everything. Like for example, next film, like Dangerous, he wanted me to have a very good body. For that I'm dieting. I lost already 4 kgs. 2 more to go.
It's a secret fitness.
Nothing is the secret, only exercising for 1.5 hours and not eating junk food. I'm eating proper diet food, not eating carbs. I'm only eating protein and fat.
Yes. So what made you to select the movie Thriller?
It was the story was given to me, and it was not something that I selected. I wanted to do it. It's like I loved the script, but I had nothing in my mind. I was like, RGV sir, whatever he offers me, I'll do it. Unless it is a lead. If it's not a lead, I'll not do it. But if it's the main lead, and if I'm the main lead, I'll do it. So before listening to the script, I had a mindset that I want to do the film. Because I know he's been showing his heroines very good on screen. I had no doubt about it. So if I get an opportunity, I was like, grab it.
Yeah. So what all the inputs RGV sir have been given before the kickstart of the movie?
So he told me, don't be ashamed of your body. What do you do for your body and how do you take care? So I told sir, I apply moisturizer 2 times a day. My whole body, I apply oil and I do these stuff. I go for spas to take care of my skin. So he said, okay, so you do so much for your body. So don't be ashamed of it. When you're wearing something, just slay in it, like, kill it. Be very confident and love each body part equally. And be very confident, like how he asked me to do some homework. He asked me to watch some films, which I did, and to learn how these actors are so confident. And then obviously I was confident, but he wanted more, and I developed it, and that's how.
So this is the first shoot with RGV sir, right?
Yes.
So how professional he was on the set?
He's very strict on set, and I didn't remember the script. So because of doing Telugu films, I had this habit of getting prompting. So here I had to do Hindi, right? So the main language is Hindi. So I had to do in Hindi, but I didn't remember the script again. And then he came to me and he's like, "Acha, 10 minute ke liye we'll shut this thing, cameras. You go, you remember your dialogues, you remember your lines, then come back. We will not shoot unless you remember." So I remember both the pages, and then I came back. So he's very strict.
Yeah. So what kind of conversation daily the things used to run in your shoot?
So during the shoot, what he used to tell me is how the flow of the character and how the kind of feeling that I have to carry. He was teaching me because I'm not an actor. I have just started my acting career, and I've not learned acting. I'm an engineer by profession. Yeah. So acting is something that he was teaching me. Every bit of it. I got to learn so much. Also, I was very interested in the kind of direction that he does. We all are. So when I got a chance, I was like, sir, ये कैसे हो रहा है, ये कैसे हो रहा है? I used to keep asking, and I've learned a lot from him.
Yeah. So you're an engineer,
Yes.
dancer,
Yes.
and now into acting
Acting,
thing. Yes. So the three steps, completely three different routes.
Yes.
Now you're on outer ring road. So
Yeah.
you're choosing all different.
Yes.
So how was the experience? Which looks more better? Which gives you more motivation thing?
So as an engineer, I knew I'll be such a worst engineer in my office that I'll be that pretty girl who gets 4 or 5 guys to do her work. So I didn't want to be that, okay? Because you know, it's so bad that a pretty girl's making, because I'm very bad at coding. So I hated it. I used to bunk my college, and I used to be the one who used to organize the mass bunk. So I used to, and you know, when I used to attend class, my professors used to be like, popcorn भिजवा दे, last bench पे आगे आ जाओ. So I was that bad kid, okay? So obviously I knew I don't want to work in IT, but dancing is something I've been doing since my childhood. I'm also a professional Kathak dancer, and I've been doing it since I was 3 years old on stage. So that's something that is in me, which adds up. Because of dancing, I got this, you know, a film offer. So that is always gonna be there in me. And acting is something, when I used to watch these actresses on television, I was like, yaar, मैं कब ऐसे करूँगी? But when I grew up, I realized that this is not easy. And don't you know, think that you can actually become. I was at a point where I wanted to quit acting and go back and get a job in IT. Very honestly, yeah, because I was not liking the kind of scripts I was getting, not liking the directors or producers, as in the whole story wise. They were telling me some story, doing some other story. You know, new actors get fooled and stuff. So I was at a point of quitting acting and going back home and getting a job. This point I met Sir, and this happened.
Yes. So now you're into Telugu film industry.
Yes.
You're the family member of Telugu film industry.
Yes.
So in all Telugu films, which was most heart touch movie to you?
I loved Arjun Reddy. Arjun Reddy, I loved. I loved this film also, RX100. These are the couple of films that I recently watched, and I love both the films. In Arjun Reddy, I loved Vijay Deverakonda's performance, and in RX100, I loved Payal Rajput's performance. Like, I'm like huge fan of both of them because of their bold performances. Amazing. I loved it. And Telugu film industry is known to do you know, very creative films which are you know, remaked and copied, like the stories being copied in Bollywood and other. So it feels really nice to be a part of this creative industry. Yes.
Yes. So what is your dream? In which direction would you like to work?
So direction, it depends, because for me choosing a script depends on my importance in the script. I don't want to compromise on that. So director, even if I get an opportunity from the biggest director, but my role is not very good, only for 2 songs and 3 songs, and you know, it is not equal to the hero, I will not do it.
What's your dream role?
Dream role is, have you watched this film of Sridevi, Mr. India?
Yes.
So she's done a song there on chiffon sari. This one, Kaate Nahi, you know, very sexy song. So I want to do something like that. And one more is this one, Rajesh Khanna's and Zeenat Aman's Bollywood song, Bhigi Bhigi Raaton, Bhigi Bhigi Ra, where they on the terrace and they're romancing and there's rain. So I want to do something like that.
Yes. So after Thriller teaser, did you get any calls from other directors of Telugu film industry for the new
Yeah,
movies?
my manager got like 25-30 film offers, but he told me those roles are not the kind of roles that you are searching for, and some I still have to go and search because I'm busy in the promotions. I don't have time right now. So after this, I'll listen to the script. For me, it depends, like my importance in the script. Otherwise, I'll not do.
Yeah, so you started your career in Telugu film industry as a bold character,
Yes.
and it's like even in the Dangerous movie also.
Yes.
So the next characters also, you gonna take these type of bold characters, or would you like to give some message oriented roles, or which type you gonna
So
step next?
Dangerous is also message oriented. It is it supports LGBTQ community, which me as a person supports LGBTQ community, and I have a lot of gay friends because I was into modeling. So I have a lot of gay, lesbian, transgender friends who were into makeup and you know, things like that. So I think that has a message, but if people take it as one, it is. And apart from the bold and everything, so for me, as I said, if I have a proper good importance in the script, and I believe if the director believes in me, performance wise or any wise, if I get that importance in the script, I'll do it. For me, any zoner would do. I don't mind doing a very village character, or being a hot girl, or anything, but has to be something that has to be there in the script.
Yeah. So what challenges did you face during the shoot with RGV sir?
No challenges really. I loved doing it, and each and every shot I was getting better.
Yeah. So tell me a few words about Telugu film industry in the shoot time. What all you grasped?
So Telugu film industry, I felt one thing here: outside girls are welcomed. Here people are not feeling ki nahi, we want only our Telugu girls. They are open to the whole India people. Whoever has talent, you can come here. That is the best thing I love about Telugu, because me not being a non-Telugu girl, people are still accepting me, giving me love, giving me attention. I think not every state is like that. So Telugu film industry, that is why it is growing also. Telugu film industry is growing because talent is so important here. So I think I love that fact, and I think all industries should be like that.
Yeah. So on the first day of shoot, lights, camera, rolling, action. And that words when you heard, did you felt any nervous or tensed or excited? What the thing is running in your mind?
So before the shoot, I was very nervous. Night before, I didn't sleep. I woke up 4 times. I woke up my mom. So my mom is here. So I woke up, Mummy, yaar, neend nahi aa raha hai. Mujhe replace to nahi kar denge. I don't know acting. What will I do? Obviously, I had this in my mind that I might get replaced if I don't perform well, because that's the whole point. So I woke up like 4 times, and my mom said, "You're good, you will do it." And then when the next day till the shoot began, I was very nervous. But जब camera देखा and ये करना है, तो I forgot everything and I started doing my job. I was in another zone. I was not nervous. In front of the camera, I was not nervous. I was very confident, and I got a compliment from sir that I'm a very natural and real actor. So I was like, wow, that's the best thing coming from RGV sir.
Yeah. So from single poster, you came to know to everyone who is Apsara Rani. Is this Apsara Rani your original name, or
Sir has
on-screen
given me
name?
this name. This is my screen name, yeah.
Yeah. So off-screen name.
Actually, I'm not going to use it anymore. Ankita Rani Maharana is my original name. And I never liked that name because it was very common. And I used to fight with my dad. Why did you give me this name, Ankita? And it's so common. Ek class mein bhi, when I was in school, 5-6 Ankita nikal jate the. So what is this? So I used to fight with my dad. But now it's Apsara is my name, and it's gonna be till I'm alive.
Yeah. So when the poster have been released, what all the calls you got from your native place, or your childhood friends, or your classmates of engineering, and your dance mates and all?
Actually, for my friends, their reaction was very weird. They were like, "You are so hot. We never realized you actually can look so hot. इतनी dumb लगती है तो you look so normal and you're." So I was like, "Dude, guys, don't make fun of me. I look good." So my friends were shocked that I can actually look so hot, and my family, they were very happy that I'm working in such a big direction under RGV sir, and my relatives were very happy. And so my people, whoever were there, whoever has seen me since childhood performing on stage and always putting my heart in, they were like, "Humko pata tha, you will do something, you will do something." I'm like, "Mujhe nahi pata tha." So everybody are super happy, and all my friends are just messaging me, we pre-booked. So super happy.
Yeah. So one day before of meeting RGV sir, what all things you have grasped about RGV sir?
Actually, when he took my number, next day I went to meet him, and he actually told this in live. So I went with the pepper spray to his office, because I thought how we like normal. So I come from defense background. My dad is in Air Force. So we are from some other background, and what we see media shows ki these big directors are bad, and there's a Me Too, there's a casting couch. So I had a pepper spray in my pocket, but when I met him, he just told me the script and he asked me to go. So after the shooting of Thriller, I told him, sir, I'll tell you something, you won't mind, right? I cannot keep secrets, I have to tell. So, and after knowing him, I knew he will, understand my situation that time. So I told him, ki, sir, you know what, first time when I came to office, I kept a pepper spray in my mouth. And he was shocked. He's like, what if you would have put pepper spray in my eyes? Sub news mein Ram Gopal Varma ki aankh mein pepper spray. He's screaming. I was so embarrassed. And I thought he will not tell anybody, okay? And that day we were live and he said it. I never thought he will say it because this is an embarrassing thing, and I was so embarrassed. And he was like, I thought so good about you that she's such a pretty girl. I will cast her in my film. And you thought such bad impression. I'm a womanizer and you got a pepper spray. But I didn't use it, of course. But so I told him later. But I see, as a director, I had a very obviously we all know he's a very different. His direction very creative. But as a person, I got to know him, and it was amazing to know him. He's a very good person.
Yeah. So Apsara Rani, what made you to fame this poster as RGV movie, or you look very bold, or what it made you?
I think everything. I think my looks, RGV sir's direction, and the way the poster is designed. I think everything. Even if one thing is bad in it, I think people will not like it. So everything has to be good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's a bit personal now. What's your remuneration for this movie?
That's personal. I cannot answer it. Sorry.
No, you can say, you can try.
It's
give me 3 options. In that, we'll be picking one option.
No, see, that's something that's very confidential, and I would not like to talk about it.
Okay. Yeah. So any one of your female friends felt jealous on you?
Female friends jealous?
Yeah.
No.
Any experiences like that?
Yeah, I've had a lot of experience. So in school, I used to be bullied a lot. So I used to be that one girl who used to sit alone in class, and there used to be 20-30 girls playing in the games period. And if I used to go join them, they used to disperse from there and go. So I was that girl who used to be always, because of I used to win in all competitions. I was good in studies. I was better than everybody else. So they were, they used to do this groupism, and I have faced this also. If anybody used to touch me, they used to be like she and things like that. So I have been bullied all my life in school. It was very bad, and my mom, she always said it's because you're different, and that's why people don't accept you, but you are very good and don't feel bad. And my mom, she always supported me. So I've never had friends, to be very honest. But college and now I have very selected friends. I have like 4 or 5 friends only, which I can trust, and they will not be jealous ever.
Yeah. So what your friends have been commented after seeing the role in Thriller?
They're very happy, and they're like, you look so hot, and they're very excited because it's Ram Gopal Varma's film. They always wanted to see me doing something very good, and they are very excited. They've already pre-booked the tickets, and they're waiting to watch it. They're super excited. My friends are very happy.
Yeah, so more in few hours your debut
Yeah,
movie
oh my god. Yes.
So tell me in 10 seconds what you're feeling now. More in few hours it's gonna release.
I'm very confident, I'm excited, and I think whoever will watch it will love it.
Yes. So it's a message-oriented movie, or
it's an incident based. It is an incident based. It can happen to anybody. It can happen to you. It can happen to me. So it is an incident that happens. A girl is stuck in her house, and what happens, why it happens, things like that.
Yeah. So did you expect it, or did you thought that I'm gonna see me on the first time on screen in this type of a character anytime?
No, my imagination doesn't work that great, but yeah, but I wanted to, so whenever I wanted to imagine me doing a film, maybe films like Gangster, films like Rockstar, these are the kind of films that I wanted to do, but yeah, this film's so different that I don't think anybody can imagine it. Yeah.
So after playing such a bold character, so what's your next step in career?
So next step also would be, this film I did was whole and sole reason was my importance in the film, and of course the story is amazing, and direction, though, of course we know that. So my point was because of any script that I would do next would be only because of my importance in the script. Yeah, so nothing, bold or not bold or that doesn't affect me. For me, my importance in the script is something that I focus on, and that affects me.
Yeah. So is RGV sir is your godfather?
Godfather, I don't know what a godfather is. I'm a very outsider, but I can say he has put a lot of confidence in me. And even when I felt a little less confident, because see, as normal people, see, if I'm a star kid, I will be groomed well. I know how to do my hair. I know how to what to wear for an interview and everything. These kind of things I don't know. Okay, so I'm learning now, and he's been teaching me as a mentor, as a teacher, as a guru, however you can say it. He's been teaching me a lot of things. So that way I would like to put that he's the most intelligent person of my life, and I would keep it that way.
So is he putting a perfect roadmap career for you for long-term acting?
Not really. For now, I'm doing 2 films with him, and then if I get a very good opportunity, I'll work with him. So at the end of the day, I have to decide. I have to think what I want to do, right? No, he cannot think or decide for me. So, but of course, if I have anything, if I have doubts about things, I will definitely ask him.
Yeah. So while the shooting days were going on, tell me the most funniest thing which was happened with you and the team, and which you felt that, wow, this day I didn't like it. These 2 things, did you face it?
So funny thing what happened is we all were shooting, and all of a sudden I was very hungry. All of a sudden I'm like, sir, मुझे बहुत भूख लगी है, because I cannot stay hungry, and everybody is like, quiet, how can she say like this? And then sir is like, yeah, after this shot please, 1 shot and then we'll leave. And then everybody started laughing. I was so embarrassed. I was like, shit, मैंने कुछ गलत बोल दिया क्या? Because I said it in such a way. I was hungry from long time, and that particular time, I couldn't control, and I'm like, sir, मुझे बहुत भूख. So I was a little embarrassed. Maybe I shouldn't have said it. Everybody laughing at me, and I don't know what they thought. But yeah, these are the things that I'm learning, and जो नहीं होना चाहिए था ऐसा तो I think कुछ नहीं था. But yeah, it was raining outside, so there were a lot of insects. So there were a lot of insects inside while we were shooting. I get scared of insects. So at one point of time, I'm throwing my hair and jumping, and there was some insect that got stuck in my hair. And my hair is such a way that to find that it is somewhere, and I was not finding that insect. And I was jumping on the sofa, and everybody was laughing at me. So I was embarrassed. But I was scared of insects. What would I do?
Yeah, so tell me about your co-actor in this movie.
So Rock Kachi is my co-actor, and he has a very good body, and he's also from Odisha. So he was selected on the basis of his body, which sir wanted a very muscular guy for this, and a long, tall guy, because opposite to me has to be a little tall. So he has performed really well. Yesterday I saw the film, and he actually suits the character perfectly, and he's done a great job. I wish him good luck, and I hope he gets a lot of more films.
Yeah. So compared to South Indian film industry, the more bold characters will be taken in Bollywood. So after watching your teaser and thriller poster and everything, did you get any calls from Bollywood?
I've got a lot of attention from Bollywood, which RGV sir was telling me. A lot of people were asking him about where did you find Apsara and where did you find Apsara and things like that. So I've got a lot of attention there also, because it's Ram Gopal Verma's film. So he's India's he comes in the few topmost directors, so I've got a lot of attention there. But Bollywood, I don't know if I can do a film there or not, because it's such a big industry, and I'm like a very normal girl, and I don't know. But yeah, I have big dreams, but I don't know if I can do it, or if I don't know, pull it off. If I get a chance, maybe when I try, I get to know.
Yes. So would you like to say anything to your fans?
Yeah, so whoever has been giving me so much love and so much of attention and so much of encouragement, thank you, because I read all the comments and I read all the positivity. I take it, and that encourages me to do better in life, and I'm just a normal girl who's trying to follow her dreams, and thank you for your consideration and love. It means a lot. Thank you.
That was Apsara Rani, all about Thriller. Stay tuned to Clapboard. Signing off, Diksha Seth. Bye-bye. Take care.
Comment, share, like, subscribe to Clapboard Production.
Please subscribe to Clapboard Productions.
Hi, this is Vijay Devarkonda. Please subscribe to Clapboard Production.
Hello, this is Sandeep Reddy Vanga. Please subscribe Clapboard Production.
Please subscribe Clapboard.
హాయ్ గైస్ నేను మీ హేమచంద్ర ప్లీజ్ డూ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు క్లాప్
హాయ్ నేను రైటర్ ప్రసన్న కుమార్ బెజవాడ ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ టు క్లాప్బోర్డ్ ప్రొడక్షన్స్
Subscribe to Clapboard Productions.